Well, welcome to the channel on today. I am Katrina, and this is Katrina's Priceless Home, Life, and More. I share my love of tablescapes, home decor, cooking, DIYs, seasonal decor, outdoor living, and so much more. Follow me on all of my socials, and let's enjoy today's video together. I'm turning my focus to my bathroom for this fall 2024 bathroom refresh. With our bathrooms being one of the most used rooms in the house, daily cleaning is essential, and a deep cleaning once a week, oh well, yeah, that just has to be done. From top to bottom, everything in between, and the toilet, well, it needs extra attention. So here's a look back at one of my most watched shorts, because for some reason you love watching me clean my toilet. I'm all about the practical and stylish, budget-friendly bathroom and whatever room designs. So I simply shopped my home. That's why it's important to follow my tip number 1. No impulse buying. Truly buy things you love and you want to use year after year, and from bathroom to bathroom or room to room. So me being clumsy, I knocked over my Q-tips and cotton balls. So you'll see those in the home tour real soon. If you're new here, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell twice so you never miss an upload. So the only items I needed for this makeover: these guest towels by Ray Dunn, a new can of Febreze, oh yeah, and those cotton balls and Q-tips.
I see you in everything. You're working it all out for me. Oh, what can I do but sing and give to you all the glory? You put all my fears to rest. I bring to you my anxiety. Oh, I am forever blessed. Your passion is always chasing me. You are maker of all things. You are lover of all beings. My Redeemer, bearing all my pain. You are Jesus, and I love to sing your name. I see you in everything. Such kindness in my own story. Oh, what can obscure the power I can't escape. Whenever you speak, I come undone. You are maker, maker of all things. You are lover, lover of all beings. My redeemer, bearing all my pain. You are Jesus, and I love to sing your name. Any good that I am, it all comes from you. Any love that I have, it all comes from you. Any joy that exists, any peace that persists, you will make all things new. Life alone comes from you, my maker, maker of all things. You are lover, lover of all beings. My redeemer, bearing all my pain. You are Jesus.
Hey family, it's almost October and I'm participating in October 2024. That means a video every day, some long, some short, mostly short, but let's have fun the month of October. Make sure you gave this video a big thumbs up and left a kind comment below. And I have a special for you. On tomorrow, I'll be in my Price's kitchen cooking my mama's sweet potato pie. So you got to be here for that. 6 p.m. on tomorrow. See you then. Stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless.
You're working it all out for me.